Synvestable Stock Screener is a great place to start in finding your next great potential investments. It's free for everybody to use. You just have to be logged in and registered with a free account. If you haven't registered, on the login screen, just click register, fill out the form, and confirm your email, and you're all set to go. The Stock Screener allows you to filter through the entire investable universe based on specific fundamental criteria. You can filter potential investment opportunities based on descriptive criteria, income, financial health metrics, and liquidity ratios. If you have a Synvestable Premium account, you can even filter on valuation targets like PE ratio and gram net nets. As an example, I'm going to do a screen on large companies greater than 10 billion in market cap that have good profitability that we'll define as having operating margins greater than 40%, net margins greater than 15%, and high returns on capital, which in this case, I'll say 15%. The table below returns all the companies that fit the above criteria. If I want to remove a criteria, I can click the X and the search will automatically rerun. If I see a company that I like, I can click on the company and explore the opportunity more on the company page. From here, I can either decide to add it to a portfolio, or I can return to the screener results just by clicking the back button on my browser. To clear the screener filters, just click the Clear Filters button, or you can reload the page.